Great. Good evening, everyone. Okay. So I can see Akash in the chat. Hello, Akash. And still very less audience today, right? Hmm. So we will wait for 5 minutes and after that we will start our session. Okay. Yeah. So please write in the chat. Okay. If you are there and yeah. So Tawfiq, Dilshad, Yashika. Hello, everyone. So till that time, let's discuss the agenda of today's session. The agenda of today's session is about the loops, right? And we are left with the switch case selection statement. Okay. So first we are going to discuss about the switch case with the help of some practical example, and after that we are moving toward the loop part. Okay. And if we have time left, we are trying to we will try to implement one project with the help of loop. Okay, everyone. So till that time, let me share my screen. Yeah. So 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, okay? If you have any question, please write in the chat. Till that time, okay? Share my screen and here. So guys, you all are watching from the day first, or like someone are new to this session? Anyone who have joined in between, or you all guys are starting from the first day of the bootcamp essentials? Okay. Yeah. So Tawfiq is from first day, right? Yeah. Great. First day onward. Okay, I can see people who are from the first day, right? So guys, yesterday we have discussed about the selection statement, and we saw key when I can use selection statement when I have to skip a part of a code, and on the basis of some condition, if I have to skip a part of the code, then I can go with the selection statement. Okay. So guys, if I have multiple options available and I have to choose only one option among them, then I can go with if else. If I have only two options available and I have to choose only one option among them, then I can go with if else selection statement, right? Me too from the first day. Great. So let me share my this one, right? Yeah. So here. So now we are left with the switch case part. If you are clear with the if else and if else if, then guys, can you tell me when I can use switch case? Anyone? Anyone from the audience? When I can use switch case? Yeah, let's see. Expecting answer from 5 to 6 people. Okay. In which scenario I can use switch case, guys? Anyone from the audience? So here, when we have multiple options. So Sanu is saying ki, hey, when we have multiple options and yeah. So here, when we have multiple options and I have to choose only one option among them. Okay, one option among them. Then I can go with the switch case. But yesterday also, yesterday also, when we are discussing about the selection statement, we have written this point, right? And we have written this point for if else if, right? That is, if we have multiple options available and I have to choose only one option among them, then I can use if else if also. Then why I will use switch case? Okay, why switch case? When I have the option of if else if, then why I should use switch case? Anyone? Please write in the chat. Okay, this one. Okay, so question is clear, right? So basically multiple options available and I have to choose one option among them. I can go with the if else if or switch case. Yesterday we saw the example of if else if using ATM machine, right? And today we are saying the same thing. Hey, if I have to use multiple option and I have to choose one option, I can use switch case, right? Okay, menu driven program. Yeah, like this is a point. But we can achieve that menu driven program with the help of if else if also, right? Yeah, for selecting particular options. Okay, so basically guys, if you want a structured code, okay, if you have multiple options available and you have to choose only one option among them and you want a structured code, right, then go with switch case. Okay, and the second point is, let's write the syntax first, right? So you have to write switch, and after that you have the expression here. Okay, and inside the expression you have case. 1 minute, let me remove this part, right? Yeah. You have case. Okay, yeah, so switch here, and after that inside the round bracket you have to write the expression, and after that you have the case, that is case expression 1. Okay, and here you have to write the body, right? Body, and inside the body there will be some code, and at the end you have the break keyword, right? Similarly you have case expression 2, again you have the body, inside the body you have the break keyword at the end, right? Similarly you have multiple cases, at the end you have default one, right? You have default one here, and inside the default one you have the body, right? And at the end you have the curly bracket. So here this break keyword is optional. This is the first point. This one is optional here. Okay, you can use break keyword in your switch in your case body, and it depends on the situation. Okay, it depends on the problem statement. We will be seeing the behavior of switch case when we are using break and when we are not using break. Okay, so here the work of break is what? It is used to move out of switch case ladder. Move out of switch case ladder here. Okay, basically the moment this break statement will get executed, what will happen? You will move out of the switch case block. Okay, you will not execute the remaining lines. Everyone is clear? So again we will be seeing this with the help of our example. So the first point is what? If I want a structured code, I can go with the switch case. Okay, when there is a range given, let's assume this is if else, right? And when you have to skip a part of a code on the basis of a range. Okay, the condition is on the basis of some range here, right? Then you have to use if else. Okay, if else you have to use, let's assume you have to tell ki hey, uh, let's take one example here, right? So what I want to write ki hey, if distance is greater than 10 kilometer and distance is less than 20 kilometer, like this. Okay, so here you can see in the condition you have a range, right? So when you have to decide which part of a code to execute, and in the condition you have the range, then go with the if else, right? Go with the if else. You cannot use switch case here, right? And the third limitation of switch case is what? In the switch case, this expression will hold only integer value, character value. Okay, so here you can use integer value or character value. Float and double are not valid here in the expression part. Everyone is clear? Yes or no? Okay, so let's try to implement one small question here, and after that we will be seeing the behavior of switch case. Okay, so here what I want, let me create one file here, right? So switch case dot cpp, and what I want, first I want to include the IO stream header file, right? After that, using namespace std, here, and after that we have the main function from where the execution will start. And from here, what I want, let's take a problem statement, that is write a program to print the month name. Okay, to print the month name, to write a program to take input from the user, to take input, that is the input is what, the input will be month value, and corresponding to that month value, what you have to print, you have to print the month name, right everyone? So if the user is giving 3 as input, what you have to print, you have to print March on the output screen. Similarly, if the user is giving 1, then you have to print Jan on the output screen, right everyone? So basically you have to create a small calendar, right? So calendar program here, right? Calendar. So what I will do here, let's try to write the code. So first I will take input from the user, and I know in order to take any input from the user, first I have to declare a variable. Since here I want an integer kind of data, so I will first create a integer variable here, that is int month, right? So I have declared a variable. After that I will use cin. Okay, so yesterday we saw why we use cin, to take input from the user, right? So cin month, right? And after that, what I will do, I will write a switch case here, right? Switch, okay, switch case here. So here I got the snippet, and let's remove this line. And what I will write in the expression, I will write the month value here, right? Month. After that, here I have to write the case, and here inside the case, yeah. So inside the case, I have what? I have to write the case value. So the case value is what? If the case value is 1, then what I want? I want to print cout, okay, cout Jan, right? After that, you have to use break keyword, and yeah, this break keyword is optional. And what I will do, like this, I will write for the remaining month, right? That is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? So let's change the value of the case. So here we have case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6 here, right? And this will be what? Feb. And here we have March, right? April, May, and here we have June here, right? So this will be the 6 cases. And similarly, what I will do, I will again copy and paste the same thing here, and I will change the case here, right? That is 7. Here we have 8, okay, 9, 10, 11, and 12 here, right? So this will be your December, okay, November, and you have October, September, and August, and this will be July here, right? And I will write the default case also. The default case will be what? I will write ki hai invalid option here, right? Invalid month value. Let's write invalid month value, right? Invalid month value here, right? And I am done with the code. So this will be the thing right here. And after that, what I want, okay, let's try to run the code and let's see what output I will get now. Yeah, so let's open the terminal here. And in the terminal, what I want to first compile the code, that is g++ switch case dot cpp here, right? And after that dot slash a. So here it is asking for the month value. Let's take the month value as 4. Okay, so if the month value is 4, let's see what output I am getting. I am getting April. Why I am getting April here? Let's see that part also. So here, right, this one. So first we are giving the month value as 4 here. After that, what will happen? You will move to case 1, that is at line number 17. At line number 17, the value of case is what? 1. 1 is equal to 4, false, right? So what will happen? You will skip this part of the code. You will move to the next case. 2 is equal to 4, false. You will again skip this part of the code. You will move to the next case. 3 is equal to 4, again it is false. Again you will skip this part of the code and you will move to the next case. This time 4 is equal to 4. That is true. The moment your case expression is equal to the expression here, you will move inside the case and here you will print April. After executing this line, you will move to the next line, that is break keyword. Here, the moment this line will get executed, what will happen? You will move out of switch case ladder, right? Switch case ladder. So that means the remaining cases will not get executed, right? Not get executed. Simple. The flow is simple, right? The flow of switch case is simple here. So if you already know about switch case, let's try to do something here, right? 1 minute. Here. Now let's remove the break keyword from here, and from here, 1 minute, from here and from here also, right? Okay, and from here also let's remove from the 6 cases. So here what I have done, I have removed the break keyword from case 1 to case 6, and after that there are break keyword from case 7 to case 12, right everyone? So let's save the code, and this time if I am giving the month value as 4 here, right, what will be the output? Please write in the chat if here, if you got the point. If the month value is 4 here, what will be the output I will get on the output screen? Yeah, so everyone, please write in the chat. Question is clear, right? I have removed cases, I have removed break keyword from case 1 to case 6, and after that we are having the break keyword, and here I am giving the month value as 4. What will be the output? Up to 4th month. Okay, so Narshima is saying ki hey, up to 4th month you will get the value. Okay, anyone want to counter Narshima? Okay, so basically I'm getting answer April. Okay, so here still I'm waiting a correct answer. Okay, I'm not, I haven't got a correct answer from any one of you. Yeah, anyone? April? No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So only one person have answered correctly. Okay, that is Pooja here. And yeah, so let's see. Pooja is saying ki hey, April, May. Yeah, Pooja is saying ki April, May, June, July will get printed on the output screen, right? Let's see why. So here we have 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So we have the month value as 4 here. Okay. So first what will happen? You will move to case, that is at line number 17. Here the value of case is what? 1 is equal to 4. That is false here. So what will happen? You will move to the next case. The value of case is what? 2 is equal to 4. Again false. You will move to the next case. 3 is equal to 4. Again false. You will move to the next case. 4 is equal to 4. This time the case value is equal to the month value. Okay, so what will happen? April will get printed on the output screen. Okay, after executing the body of case, here you are not having any break keyword. Okay, so what will happen? You will move to the next body irrespective of the condition. Okay, irrespective of condition, you will execute the next body. The next body is what? May. So May will get printed on the output screen. Again, you are not having any break keyword. So you will move to the next case irrespective of the case value. So what will happen? June will get printed on the output screen. And again, you are not having any break keyword. So you will move to the body of the next case, and here the body of the next case is what? July. So July will get printed on the output screen, and after that you are getting the break keyword. The moment you are getting the break keyword, that means move out of switch case ladder. Okay, switch case ladder here, right? So here when you are not using, so the point so the main point is what? When you are not using break keyword, so what will happen? The moment here, right? So the moment the case value is equal to the expression value, okay, expression value, what will happen? You will execute the body till the time you haven't encountered the break keyword. Okay, till the time you haven't encountered the break keyword. And here this body will get executed irrespective of the condition. Okay, irrespective of the case value. Everyone is clear? The behavior of switch case is clear when I am not using the break keyword. The behavior of switch case is clear, guys. Please write in the chat if it is clear. Anyone has any doubt? Till this point, anyone has any doubt? Please write in the chat. Okay. So this is about selection statement that we have discussed about the if else if, nested if, and switch case. Right, everyone? Everyone is clear, right? Yes, no? No response from the audience? Okay, great. So yeah, so let's move to the next part, that is loop, right? So here when I can use loop, loop is basically iterative statement. Okay, iterative statement here. So when I can use loop, when I have to execute a part of a code again and again. Okay, part of a code again and again, right? So let's assume what you have to do. You have to print 10 okay, you have to print hello world. Okay, hello world 5 times. So what you will do? You will use, like, if you don't know about the loop part, you will use cout hello world like this, right? And you will write this line how many times? You will write this line 5 times. Okay, so if I will ask you ki hey print 15 times, you will write this loop for 15th time. If I will say ki hey print hello world for 1000 times, then what will happen? You have to write this hello world 1000 times, and it will make your code more complex and very difficult to debug, right, everyone? So it is not a good practice when you are executing a part of the code or a logic again and again. It is not the good practice to do like this. Okay, you have to use a loop concept, right? So what I will do, I will use the power of while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Let's start with the while loop. Okay, so let me first write the syntax here. So the syntax is, you have three parts in the loop. The first part is what? Initialization statement. Initialization statement. Okay, initialization expression here. And after that you have the while keyword. In the while keyword you have the condition part. Okay, after that the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket you have the body part. Okay, and inside the body part inside the body part, you have the updation part also, right? Updation part also, right? So let's try to understand this. What is this initialization expression, condition, and updation part with the help of an example here, right? So what I want, write a program to print hello world 5 times, right? Hello world 5 times. So here, what I will do, I have to start a loop, right? I have to execute a cout statement, that is cout hello world. How many times? 5 times, right? Hello world. How many times, guys? 5 times here, right? This one. So what I will do, first I will create a variable, that is int I is equal to 1, right? So what I am doing, so in order to start a loop, you must know about the starting point. Okay, that starting point will be your initialization expression. Okay, initialization expression, that is the starting point. Okay, from what point you have to start the while loop or any loop. Okay, after doing that, you have to use the while keyword. Inside the condition part, you have to think, hey, how many times you have to execute the body of while loop. Okay, so basically the condition is what here, how many times you have to execute the body of while loop. So here I want to execute the body of while loop 5 times. That is, I am starting from 1 and till the time I is less than equal to 5. Till that time I have to execute the body of while loop. The moment the value of I is greater than 5, I will move out of the while loop. Everyone is clear? Yes or no? So here we have the initialization part. This is the condition part. And after that, here I have to write the main logic that I want to execute again and again. So here the main logic is what? Cout hello world, right? Cout hello world here, right? And after writing this part, after writing the main logic, you have to update the value of I. Okay, update the value of I. That is, you are saying ki, hey, I have printed hello world for the first time. Now, what I have to do? I have to update the value of I by 1 because I want to print hello world again, right? So here, this is the updation part. Yeah, updation part. So this is a simple program. I think like most of you have already done about this while loop. Okay, yes or no? Everyone has done about the while loop. Okay, who all are new to this while loop? Please write in the chat. Till that time, let's try run the code. Okay, so here int I is equal to 1 while. Okay, so guys, do you know about the dry run table? Please write in the chat who already know about dry run table and who are like who have heard this dry run table concept for the first time. Okay, anyone? Okay, yes, no, first time. So what we have to do? So basically, Radhesham, right? So Radhesham, what we have to do, and like everyone. So basically, after writing the logic, you have to run the code. Okay, before implementing the code on the, like if you are a complete beginner and you want to, like you are starting with the coding part. So what you have to do? First, write the code on copy and pen. Okay, that is, I have written this code and now I have to check whether I have written a correct code or not. So first what I will do, I will manually execute the code. Okay, I will execute this code manually here. Okay, without executing on the IDE, I will execute manually. And how I can do that part? With the help of dry run table here. So basically we make dry run table. Okay, so basically we make dry run table when I have to use loop. Okay, so here in loops, basically you have 3 columns. The first column is the initialization part, that is this line. This line I is equal to 1 here. After that, you are having the condition part, that is I is less than equal to 5. After that, you are having the updation part, that is I is equal to I plus 1. Right, everyone? Yeah. So I have made a column, and let's see now here, right? And let's create a output. This will be the output here, right? So here, this one, right? So what I will do first, this line will get executed, right, everyone? This line will get executed. That is, the value of I is 1. After that, you will go to the while loop. Inside the while loop, the condition will get executed. Here, the condition is what? 1 is less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That means you will move inside the body of while loop. The moment the condition is true, you will move inside the body of while loop. You will execute this line. That is hello world. So hello world will get printed on the output screen for the first time. After that, you will move to the next line. The next line is what? I is equal to I plus 1, right? So here, what will happen? What is the previous value of I? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? It is 2. So the updated value of I is what? 2 here. After executing this line, what will happen? You will again go to the condition. Okay, you will again go to the condition part. And the condition is what? I less than equal to 5. So the updated value of I is what, guys? 2. 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. Again, you will move inside the body of while loop, and you will print hello world again on the output screen. And again, you will update the value of I, that is 2 plus 1. The previous value of I is what? 2 plus 1, that is 3. So you got the updated value of I. After that, again, you will jump to the condition part. Condition is what? 3 less than equal to 5. Again, the condition is true. Again, you will move inside the body of while loop. And again, you will print hello world on the output screen. And again, you will update the value of I, right? So the value of I is what? 3 plus 1. That is 4 here, right? So 4 is less than equal to 5, right? So again, the condition is true. And again, you will move inside the body. Hello world will get printed on the output screen. And again, you will update the value of I. That is 4 plus 1 is 5 here, right? And after that, you will check the condition. 5 less than equal to 5, true. And again, hello world on the output screen. And again, you will update the value of I. That is 5 plus 1 is 6 here, right? So here you will go to the condition, and now 6 is less than equal to 5. This time the condition is false, right? This time the condition is false. The moment your condition is false, you will move out of the while loop. Okay, you will move out of the while loop, and here you got the answer, that is hello world 5 times. So you have written the code correctly according to the manual dry run, right, everyone? So let's try to implement this code, and let's see whether I have written the correct code or not. Till that time, if you have any doubt in the dry run table, please write in the chat. Okay, so let me write the program here. Okay, so while loop dot cpp switch case. And anyone has any doubt till this point, please write in the chat. Okay, yeah. So what I will do, I have to start. That is, starting point is what? I is equal to 1, right? Yeah. So here int I is equal to 1, and after the starting point, what you have? You have while I is less than equal to 5. That is how many times you have to execute the body of while loop. And after that, you want to print hello world on the output screen. So you will say hello world. Okay, and after that you want to go to the next line. So what you will do, you will use slash n here, right? And after that you will do I is equal to I plus 1. And let's run the code, and let's see whether I'm getting the correct output or not, right? So here, terminal, right? Oh, terminal is already here. And okay, clear the screen. Let's see, while loop dot cpp here, right? Okay, so okay, so here I have to use this one. Okay, now it is clear. Yeah, so compiled successfully, and now I have to run the code, that is dot slash a. and you can see I'm getting hello world on the output screen. So before executing the code on the machine, first you must first dry run the code, okay? And this is the only mantra to improve your problem solving skills, okay? This is a very small step, but this is a very important step, okay? If you are executing the code manually, okay, then you will be able to understand ki, hey, what logic you have implemented and where you are going wrong, okay? And when you know what mistake you have done, and after that, if you are like watching some other solution, then you will compare that solution, right? Yes, I am doing that mistake, now I have to think in this direction, right? And gradually you will improve your problem solving skills, right? So it is very important to dry run the code, okay everyone? Yes or no? If it is clear till this point, please write in the chat. Okay, so let's move to the next problem statement. Okay, let's take one more problem statement. So what I want, write a program, okay, to sum the digit of a number, okay, sum the digit of number here. So this is a program. Let's assume I have a number from the user, and that number is what it is. Let's assume 1 2 3 4, and what I want the sum of the digit, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? So here what I want 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 10. So I want 10 on the output screen, right? I want 10 on the output screen. Till this time I know the power of if else, I know the power of while loop, right? And I know one more important point ki hey, I have to dry run the code, okay? Dry run is very important step. So now the second important step to build your problem solving skills is you have to divide your problem statement into smaller problem statement, okay? Smaller problem statement, right? So let's try to understand this with the help of this like this point, with the help of this example here, right? So here what I have a num variable, and inside that num variable I have 1 2 3 4 5, right? Or let's take 1 2 3 4, okay? And after that what I want the sum, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, okay? So can you guys tell me, like, what is the you are able to observe anything here? You are able to observe any particular pattern or something you are able to observe from this number and from this number? Okay, how you can achieve this part? How you can achieve the sum 10? Okay, anyone? Please write in the chat. In order to achieve the sum, you have to do something, and that something is what? Okay, you have to, if you can see, you have to extract the digit, right? Extract the digit. Yeah, loop is there, but the first thing is what? You have to extract the digit somewhere, somehow, right, Pooja? Correct. So first step is what? You have to extract the digit. This I come to know, like this I observed from this example here and this number here, right? If I have to find the number, boss, I have to first extract the digit, right? And I know if I have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then if I will take modulo with 10, I will get the remainder. That is, I will get the last digit. And that last digit is what here? It is 4 here. So if I will take modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, modulo 10, I will get the last digit. Okay. So I got the last digit. Okay. So here, this one, I am able to extract this 4. But how to extract this particular data? That is the remaining data. How to extract this particular data? I know that if I will take, that is 1 2 3 4, yeah, so I know that is if I will take division with 10, what I will get? I will get the remaining digit, that is the starting 3 digit on the. Everyone is clear? So first step is what? I'm extracting the last digit using modulo operator, and I'm extracting the remaining digit with the help of division operator, right? Extracting remaining digit. Yeah, everyone is clear till this point? Yes or no? Okay, yeah. So here I got this point, and after that, what will happen? Again, I will take this remaining digit, that is 1 2 3. Okay, and again I will do two things to it. That is, first I will extract the last digit, and here I will maintain a container that will hold the sum. And what I will do, since here I have 0, let's assume the initial value of sum is what, 0 here. So 0 plus 4 is what, 4. So here inside sum I have 4. Now again I will extract the last digit, that is 3, using modulo operator. So I will get 3 here. What I will do, I will add this 3 to this container value. Okay, so what will happen? 4 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 is what? 7 here. Right, everyone? So here I have sum, and here 4 plus 3 is 7. After extracting the last digit, I want the remaining digit. So what I will do, I will use division with 10. So what I will get? I will get 12 here. That is the remaining digit here, right? And again, I will do the same thing. That is 12 modulo 10. What I will get? I will get the last digit, that is 2. I will add this digit to this sum value. That is 7 plus 2 is what? 9 here, right? And I will take the division with 10 here. So what I will get here? I will get the remaining digit. The remaining digit is what? 1. Okay. And again, I will take this remaining digit, and again I will take modulo with 10. What I will get? I will get 1 as the remaining digit. And if I will take division with 10, what I will get? I will get 0 here. Right? I will get 0 here. So the moment I am getting 0, that means there is no digit left. Okay, no digit left. So I observed something ki, hey, I have to perform this modulo operator to extract the last digit, this division operator to extract the remaining digit, and I have to continuously do this part, that is here, 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 here. Okay, and when I have to stop, when the number value is 0. The moment the number value is 0, I have to stop. So here I have to perform what? This one, that is extract last digit, add to sum, and extract the remaining digit. Okay, extract the remaining digit. And how many times I have to perform this operation? Till the time your number is not equal to 0. Till the time your number is not equal to 0, you have to perform this operation again and again. So here what you will do, you will use a loop, and inside the loop the condition is what, ki hey, till the time my number is not equal to 0, I will perform this operation again and again. So what I have done till now, I have a problem statement, I have observed something, and after that I have concluded this point. Okay, that is, I am repeating this step some number of times. And how, after running the example, I came to know that I have to stop at this point. Everyone is clear till this point, yes or no? Please write in the chat. Till that time I am writing the code here, right? If it is clear till this point, please write in the chat. Okay, let's create a one variable here, right? That is int I, and let's take input from the int num here, right? Let's remove this line. Yeah, so same. So programming is very easy. Okay, everyone, like if you have to start, always first clear your base. Okay, and the base is nothing but your for loop functions, and these all are base. Okay, if you are clear with the base part, always write down the code. Okay, so if you have written the code for each and every question you are solving, your base is clear and you will be able to build the logic. Okay, see it num here, and write down the code and divide the problem statement into sub problem statement. And how you can divide the problem statement into sub problem statement? By taking the problem, okay, and see like how you are getting the output. Okay, if you are clear with that ki hey, I'm getting the output by following this step, you have to convert those steps into code. Okay, and this is all about coding. Okay, so int num, and after that while num not equal to 0. And here what I will do, I will create one variable sum to store the previous result, that is int sum is equal to 0 here. And after that, first I will extract the last digit, that is int remainder is equal to num modulo 10, right everyone? And after extracting the last digit, what I will do, I will add the last digit. Let's take this last digit, right? Last digit. Okay, last digit here. So here I will write sum is equal to sum plus last digit. Okay, so I have extracted the last digit. What I will do now, okay, so here I will extract the remaining digit, right? So in order to extract the remaining digit, what I have to do, num divided by 10. And whatever will be the remaining digit, what I want from this remaining digit, what I want guys, I want to store this remaining digit again in the same variable num. So here what I will do, num is equal to num, like this, right? This one. And after that, what I will do, after moving out of the while loop, I will print the num value here, right? So let's see whether I'm getting the correct answer or not. So let's save the code, right? Yeah. So here, let's clear the screen. And so this one, dot slash a. And here it is asking for the input from the user, right? Let's take the input as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm getting the answer as 0. Okay, so sum is equal to sum plus last digit. And so guys, what I have done, okay, here I have to print the sum here, right? Sum. So let's save the code, compile the code, clear the code, and run the code. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'm getting the answer as 10 here, right? I'm getting the answer as 10 here. Everyone is clear till this point? Anyone has any doubt, please write in the chat. Okay, let's move to the next iterative statement, that is your for loop. Okay, so for loop, you have the for keyword, and after that you have the initialization statement. Okay, initialization statement, and after that you have the condition part, and after that you have the updation part, right? Condition updation part, like this. And here you have to write the body, right? You have to write the body. So let's try to implement first hello world. Okay, and after that I will move to the complex example. What I will do here, I have to print hello world 5 times. So what I know, for initialization part will be the starting point, right? From where I have to start the execution. So here I have to start from I is equal to 1, because I have to print hello world 5 times, right? After that, after initialization part, what I want the condition part, that is how many times I have to execute the body of for loop, that is I less than equal to 5. After that, I have the updation part. Here, after each iteration of the for loop, after each execution of the body of the for loop, what will be the updated value of I? Here I have to update by 1, right? And here inside this I will print hello world. Okay, like this. Yeah, so this will be the thing. And let's dry run the code again. What you will do, in order to dry run the code, you have to make a dry run table. And when you are using loop, you have 3 parts, that is the initialization part, you have the condition part, okay, and you have the updation part, that is I is equal to I plus 1, right? After that, what you will do, you will go to for loop. Here, for the first time, only for the first time, you will execute the initialization part. So here I is equal to 1. After executing the initialization part, you will jump to the condition part, and the condition will be checked. 1 is less than equal to 5. After executing the condition part, if the condition is true, you will move inside the body, and hello world will get printed on the output screen. After that, you will move to the updation part, and the updation part is what? I is equal to I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2 here. Okay, and after executing the updation part, again you will go back to the condition part. Okay, that is 2 less than equal to 5, true, hello world on the output screen. Again you will go to the updation part. Okay, and here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and again condition will be checked, and this cycle will continue till the time the condition is not false. The moment your condition is false, you will move out of the for loop. Okay, when the condition is false here. Anyone has any doubt in the for loop? Okay, anyone has any doubt in the for loop, guys? Please write in the chat yes or no if it is clear till this point. So what I want to write a program. Okay, write a program to print even number between 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10, right? So I want to write a program to print even number between 1 to 10. So here you can clearly see the starting point. Okay, you can clearly see the end point, right? And here, so what you will do, you will say ki, hey, I will start from I is equal to 1, right? I less than equal to 10, because I have to start from 1 and I have to go till 10. Okay, and after that what I want to increase the value of I by 1, right? And here okay, after that what do you want? You have to write the body, and in the body you want to print even number. And I know what is even number. That is, if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, that is, if the number is completely divisible by 2, that number is an even number. What I will do, I will print the value of I, right? I will print the value of I on the output screen, right? And here I am done with the code, right? So let's try to execute this code, right? So what I will do here, okay, so here this one, and I have to start from 1. Int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I is equal to I plus 1, right? And after that what I will do, I will write a check ki, hey, if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, that means the number is completely divisible by 2, that means that number is an even number. What I will do, I will print the value of I. Okay, I will print the value of I, and I will use andl. So basically we can use /n to move to the next line, and or we can use andl to move to the next line. Okay, so let's save the code and let's see whether I'm getting the correct answer or not. Clear the screen, and we have this one ./a, and we are getting 2 4 6 8 10 on the output screen, right everyone? So here I have the last question, and after that we will be ending our session. The question here is key, I have to print even number from 1 to 10 without using if condition. Okay, without using selection statement, I have to print even number from 1 to 10. Okay, and you have to use loop. How you can achieve that part? Okay, correct. Radheshyam is correct here. So he is saying here, what you can do, I know the even number is what? Start from 2, right? And I know if I will add 2 to the even number, what I will get? I will get the next even number, right everyone? So here he's saying, hey, what I will do, I will start from 2, I will go till 10, but here after each iteration of the for loop, I will increase the value of I by 2, that is I is equal to I plus 2. So even number plus 2 will give you the next even number, right? And here you will print the value of I, right? Like this. So see out this one, and let's save the code. Let's see whether I'm getting the correct answer or not. And here ./a, and I'm getting the correct answer, right? So this is about while loop and for loop. We are left with the do while loop that we are discussing in the next session, and after that we have the project that we are going to discuss in the next session. Okay guys, this is all for today's session. There is one more problem statement, but it is already time, so we are not discussing this problem statement, and if I have the time left, I will discuss that problem statement in the next session. Okay everyone, so here till that time everyone is clear with the assignment part? Okay, what you have to do, you have to complete the assignment. How you will get the assignment? From this assignment link. Okay, you have to click on the assignment link, and from there you will get the assignment link button, and from there you will get the question. What you have to do, you have to solve that question, and after solving that question you have to upload that question on the GitHub. Okay, and after that you have to share the link. Okay, so this will be the process of submitting the assignment. And about the attendance part, you can see the mark attendance button also. From here you can mark the attendance, right? So here, if you're liking the session, you can rate the session out of 10. And after that, if you are interested in our 6-month Let's Upgrade program, you can click yes or no. And after that, here, if you have any suggestions, please click on this button. Okay, submit your attendance. And apart from that, those who are new to this session, what you can do, from here, right, this one, you can see our full stack web development program and a data science program, right? So you can click on this link to see what we are doing in our full stack and data science program, right? You can see the USP of our project, that is the session will be 100% live, and you will be getting mentorship session and placements assistant from our side. And here you can see who all got placed from our Let's Upgrade portal, right? And apart from that, you can see the technical stack that we are going to learn in this full stack program. That is our React.js in the front end part. In the back end, we are going to learn about the Node.js. In order to make our basics strong, we are going with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript part. Okay, and we are using GitHub and Git. We are learning about GitHub and Git and SaaS also, right? And here you can see some projects that we are going to make: Amazon clone, Instagram clone. Okay, and like this, these are the simple projects that we are going to make, and after that we are moving to the more advanced step. Okay, and you can download the curriculum from here, and you can see the trainers, right, those who are having more than 5 years of experience, right? And similarly, we have the data science program also. Okay, so in the data science program, you can see this part, right, who all got placed in the data science program. From here you can see the, okay, data about the placement, and here you can see the data about the project that we are going to build, that is our Spotify music recommendation, lead scoring, face recognition. Okay, and what all technical stacks we are going to learn in this data science program. Yeah, and after that you can see the download browser, and from there you can download the curriculum, right? And here we have a link. If you are interested in any of our program, you can go to this link, you can copy the link, and if you are referring this link to your friends, your batchmate, you will be getting these prizes that are listed here, right? And apart from this, if you have any doubt, you can ask now, right? Apart from the assignment, anything related to the assignment, homework, attendance, about the course, about anything, right? No assignment is there today. Okay, it is not showing. Okay, I will talk to the management and they will upload the assignment today. Okay, guys, if you have any question apart from this, please write in the chat. Okay, so it is not showing. So guys, okay, so I can see like no questions, right? So will it update later? Yeah. Like I will talk to the team and they will update it by today. Okay. Okay, so this is all about today's session, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the session. In the tomorrow session, we are having the game project. Okay, and we are going with the remaining loop, that is our do while loop. Okay, everyone. So apart from that, if you want to practice more, you can explore different practice platform, and from there you can code that stuff. Okay, so if you are complete beginner, what you can do, you can start with the Hacker Earth or Hacker Ranks, right? So from there you can practice some basic level stuff. Okay, that is select C++, and from there you can practice your code. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining the session. Have a great night. Okay, so thank you.